everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bolan Alaba, your go-to guy for backend development with Django. So if you have ever been confused about the difference between a Django project and a Django app, you are definitely not alone. In today's video, I am going to break it down for you in the simplest way possible. So let's jump right in. Alright, so think of a Django project as a house, the full structure, and a Django app. So what is a Django app? So that is like an individual rooms inside that house. So you can have a kitchen, a bedroom, a living room, each doing something different. So that's the exact relationship between a project and an app in Django. So a Django project is the top level container for the entire web application. So when you run the command Django admin start my site, you are creating a project. So inside the project, you typically see settings.py where you configure your app like a control panel. You will see urls.py where all the routing magic happens. You will see wsg.py and asgi.py. This helps deploy your app. All right, so now a Django app is a modular piece of functionality. You create one by running python manage.py startup log. That's an example anyway. So each app is designed to do one thing well. So you might have an hot app for handling user logins, a product app for your e-commerce store, a chat app for messaging. And the beautiful part is that one project can have multiple apps. So let's say you are building an e-commerce platform. Your Django project is called Enter Store, for example. And inside this Enter Store project, you can have a user app to manage user accounts. You can have a product app to manage your items. You can have another app to handle customer purchases and a payment app for handling transactions. So all these apps work together under one roof, which is your project. So this separations allows your code to be more organized, reusable, and scalable. You can even take one of your apps, let's say your chat app, and reuse it in another Django project. So to recap, a project is the overall site, and an app is a specific feature or module within that site. If this helps clear things up, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Django tutorials like this. Let me know in the comment section what apps are you building Django projects right now, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.